In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert JPG to PDF with Smallpdf. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click and what to expect on screen, so you can turn any JPG image into a clean, shareable PDF in just a few moments. First, open your browser and go to smallpdf.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in. You'll find the login option at the top right. Signing in ensures your files are processed under your account and helps keep everything organized for future use. After you're logged in, look to the left side of the page for the navigation panel and click on Convert. This is where Smallpdf groups all of its file conversion tools. From there, choose the option that highlights PDF with arrows in the middle, then select Image to PDF. This is the specific tool designed to turn image formats like JPG into a PDF file. Next, click Select Files. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, click the JPG you want to convert, and then click Open. If you accidentally choose the wrong file, no worries. Just cancel and reselect the correct one. Smallpdf will upload the image automatically, and you'll see a simple setup screen to confirm the conversion. At this point, you don't need to change anything unless you want to. If you're only converting a single image, the default settings will work great. Keep your internet connection steady during the upload as the process depends on it. If your image is large, give it a moment. Smallpdf will handle the heavy lifting on its servers. Now, click Finish. This is the final confirmation that tells Smallpdf to convert your image into a PDF. The tool will process the file and finalize it for you. In just a few seconds, your JPG will be transformed into a polished PDF, ready to use in emails, forms, or storage. That's all there is to it. To recap, you log into smallpdf.com, go to Convert on the left, choose the PDF option with the arrows, select Image to PDF, click Select Files, pick your JPG, and then click Finish. Smallpdf does the rest, delivering a clean PDF without any extra steps. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.